on it.
Okay, here I come. This is for your big boy bed. What is it? It's for your big boy bed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I picked it out.
You remember picking it out? Where did you pick it out at?
In the store.
Which store?
The Costco.
You are right. That is exactly where you saw it. And Mama snuck back and bought it, and apparently you remember.
Oh my gosh.
So much for a surprise. What do you say?
Thank you.
Can I have a hug and kiss?
You may.
I may. Mwah, thank you.
Can we open this?
Yes, we may.
Lightning McQueen.
You're Lightning McQueen.
I picked it out.
I know.
She's got good memory.
I liked it.
Okay, you want to lay in bed and I'll cover you with it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll send this video to Papa or Dada. Okay, ready? I'm going to cover you with Lightning McQueen. Whoa! You're in your big boy bed with Lightning.
Sleep tight. Good night, sleep tight.
Good night, sleep tight.
Want me to shut the light out?
Oh, can